Imagine a blueprint. It decides everything about you, your eye color, your hair, and even how your body functions. This blueprint exists in every cell and every living organisms. It's called DNA. Today, we'll see it with our own eyes using onion, an apple, a beet, and uncover the secret of this incredible molecule. Let's begin the video. But first, click the video and like and subscribe my channel. And let's go. DNA, or desoxyribonucleic acid, carries the genetic information that makes you. It's mainly found in the nucleus of cell. DNA is made up of three main components. It's nitrogen bases, desoxyribose sugar, and phosphate group. Here you can see it in this picture, the DNA structure. The yellow-colored parts are phosphate groups, and they're made up phosphate bonds in DNA. The number of phosphate bonds in each DNA strand 2 is fewer than in nucleic acids. For example, some DNA has 100 nucleic acids and it should be has 98 phosphate bonds. Part colored blue is the sucrose sugar. In effect, between guanine and cytosine have 3 hydrogen bonds, and then between adenine and thymine, 2 hydrogen bonds. You can see the hydrogen bonds in this picture. And most importantly, adenine pairs thymine and guanine pairs cytosine. Nitrogen base is divided 5 types: adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, and uracil, but it doesn't exist in DNA. It only exists in RNA. And then these 4 types nucleotides make up the famous double helix structure. If you look more closely to the nucleic acids, we can see the difference between them. So, look more closely. And then the distance between each pair of nucleides is 2 nanometers. And between the adjacent nucleides is 0.34 nanometers. Here's adenine and here's guanine. You can see the difference between the chemical structure, and guanine has oxygen but adenine hasn't. So you can see the adenine and guanine chemical formulas. If you look at cytosine and thymine, we can see the difference between these nucleic acids. And cytosine has a NH group and thymine has a oxygen and the fourth carbon. And uracil has an oxygen. Seems like a thymine, but it doesn't have a metal group and a fifth carbon. If you look at the thymine and cytosine chemical structure, you can see thymine has more oxygen than cytosine, but it doesn't have more nitrogen than cytosine. The goal of the experiment is to see which plant sample, onion, beet, or an apple, produce most visible DNA and allows most easiest extraction. Let's begin. Step 1. Gather all necessary materials: salt, dishwashing liquid, chilled alcohol, and DNA isolation equipment. Step 2. Peel the apple, beetroot, and onion carefully. Step 3. Smash the peeled fruits and vegetables, then grind them roughly to prepare for DNA extraction. Let's mash 100 milliliters jars. However, each of your DNA extraction objects requires containers. and I choose 3 500 millimeters jars, and we can start our experiment. Let's go. We successfully divide our 3 objects, and then let's start the experiment. Now we will start preparing the solutions. Let's go.
2,000 years later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Let's start mixing our porridge. Denk ajraladi. Mana Garvardga kirayotganimda foyda bo'ladi menga. Shu denk ajratgan ekan, laboratoriyaga ham kelib ajrata oladi degan.